Actually, the gofer. How's it close? How's the close?
You see him digging?
Yeah.
He's digging.
Oh.
Oh, there's our other little friend.
Oh. Watch him off.
Look at him. Oh, look at the gophers.
Let's go first.
It's a ground squirrel.
Let's go.
Yeah, ground squirrel. Look at him. Look how cute he is. Say hi, Mr. Squirrel.
Hi, Mr. Crow. Where's it go? Oh my gosh. Oh. He's coming. Where's it go?
It's a gopher. No, it's a ground squirrel.
It's how she go.
Gophers are bigger.
Gophers. Bigger.
Mm-hmm.
Where'd she go? To do? There's the gopher.
Is it gopher?
Yeah. Where'd she go? Oh, see?
Oh, there he is. There's a gopher.
Where'd she go?
Ground squirrel.
Let's
It's a
go.
ground squirrel.
Oh. No.